Krishnaveni, but people call me Krish for short. I cannot breathe properly.
What did the doctor say about Krishna's health condition?
Her lungs are shrinking and she needs attention and proper medication. The doctor at Mayo's advised her to take her to yoga and fitness classes. I'm planning to leave my job and take care of Krish.
No worries, dear. Let's send her to India. My parents are the best doctors I know. They can take care of Krish more than we do.
Love you, Mom! Love you, Dad! Take care! Tata! Tati!
Krishna dear, welcome home. Have these boiled peanuts, my darling.
Tati! I am very hungry and this tastes so good. But I have peanuts in my place. But this is different.
Yes, my child. It is organically grown and harvested in our farm, and these peanuts are freshly picked.
Ooh, I am gonna have a great time after all. Wow, Bati! Such a big house!
Oh dear, you may feel tired. Go refresh and relax.
No, Tata. I feel too fresh. Let's go around the place. I am impressed by the scenic view.
Have this carrot juice and start. You will feel more energized.
These boys are my students and I teach them slogans.
Slogans? I wish to learn them and become your student too, Tata. May I? Hi all. From now on, please include me in your gang. Good morning, Tata.
Good morning. It's time for your slogan class. When we chant Om, we should sit straight and chant properly in a loud voice. Now all of you chant Om in uniform manner.
Why should we do that? Why should we chant unitedly?
A very good question, Krish. Om is not a sound. It's the wave of the universe. As mobiles connect us to people far away, we get connected to nature and universe when we do this. When sounded unitedly, positive waves spread everywhere, and this practice will help our mind and body to energize, which in turn helps to handle situations positively.
This is very new to me and I will practice from now on, Tata. Tati, Tata, go see my new friends. They are going to teach me how to climb trees and swim today. I'm too scared to climb trees. What will happen if I fall down?
Krishna, you can easily do this. Our friends are here to help. Come on, Krishna, you can do it.
Hey! I climbed too! My vacation is already over. I need to leave this Sunday.
We will all have a good time soon.
Dear co-passengers, do not worry, I have a solution. Just repeat the chant after me. We will reach New York safely. Repeat what I recite thinking of the superpower or your favorite god. Tell the captain to follow the bird.
You little champ, thank you so much, my sweet little girl.
That's the nature which helped us. We called nature through our chant. Thanks to my grandparents who taught me about chanting Om unitedly. When there is teamwork, wonderful things can be achieved.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel, and don't forget to like and share.